Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download all your Google Drive files at once. It's very simple and fast. First you can go to your browser and then type accounts Google in the then you'll see there is Google accounts page. You can click it. And now first you have to make sure you log into the right account, and then now you can go to data and privacy. And now you can scroll down until you find data from apps and services you use. And there is content saved from Google services. You can click it. And now you can scroll down until you find Drive. You can click download. And now you can click next step. And you can choose the destination. Maybe you want to add to Drive or Dropbox, whatever you want. And then you can choose the frequency, also the file size, and also you can change it. That's it. Thank you.